Today is the day. I have now purchased my new home on wheels. I have a lot that I need to do to make this a livable vehicle. It's very hard to believe that this is how I'll be spending the next summer. Definitely happened really fast. I did not expect to be owning this today. I'm looking at it, really trying to see how I'm gonna fit, how I'm gonna live in this. Oh. I need to see if I can lay down in it. It's actually pretty roomy. Welcome home. Is that a satellite or is that a shooting star? I think I'd prefer the latter. Last night I could not freaking sleep thinking about building out this camper. I sold my car last night and suddenly it feels like, I don't know, it just feels real. All that's left to do is start building out a camper in a SUV, and I'm like, what the heck am I even doing? I know I'm capable of stuff, but I don't, where am I gonna saw wood? We're gonna start by just drawing some outlines for the window covers today.
Tell the world I'm out of town, search something to talk about, set my soul on fire just because. And as my ego's burning out, walk off the bridge, and as I'm sinking down, write the greatest song there ever was. Yeah, then I'll finally be enough, a subtle sink beneath the dove, and then I'll watch the stars from under until the satellite comes round again. I'll greet him like a good old friend as I let the words just slip right through my hands.
Yeah. I have this lovely Mechanics 99-piece tool set from the library. Thank you for letting me borrow that. So that comes off, and then you can get to the screws at the back of the seat. Not the best you see. In a little while I'll be. I'm getting better all the time. This thing here is actually going to be the hardest time. Woo. Your lips tingle when they're touching mine. No, I'm pretty freaking pleased with myself that I got that done today. It didn't take nearly as long as I thought it might. I'll give you a show. It's pretty nice to see what the space will be like that I'm working with. Today's task on hand is to remove the console. My understanding is that I need to take out the two front seats as well, because I'm just gonna dive in. I have this tool set again from the library, hoping it has all the tools I need. I don't really know. I just assumed that if I could get away with just this for removing the front row seats here, that it would be enough for these bad boys. But I also, just in case, have one screwdriver. I'm not an expert of this game of love, I know it's true. But just a little time and I'll be just as good as you. Well, the practice will make perfect. Alright, so this bolt here is pretty stripped, so I don't think it's going to be coming out, at least by me. So I'm hoping that if I just get the other three out, that I can lift the chair enough to slip out the console from this side. So it's been a bit of a struggle, but I've also learned a lot about tools. Both of the back left bolts are pretty stripped, so I can't actually get them off, but it seems like I can just lift the chairs enough to hopefully get the console out. Fridge fits where the console used to be. I haven't put the seats back in on the bolts, but I figured it might be easier to start with the fridge in the middle and then squish it in there.